To change your mobile number linked to your QNB account, follow these steps. Visit QNB branch. The most straightforward way to change your mobile number is by visiting any QNB branch in person. Speak to a bank representative and request to update your registered mobile number. You will need to present your Qatar ID or passport for identity verification. Fill out the required form and provide your new phone number. Change mobile number via QNB mobile banking. Open the QNB mobile banking app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the profile section, where you can update your personal information. Select the option to edit or change your registered mobile number and enter your new number. Confirm the changes by following any verification steps, such as receiving an OTP via SMS to ensure security. Update mobile number via QNB online banking. You can also log into your QNB online banking account via their website. Go to the profile settings and update your contact information. Follow the on-screen instructions for verification and final approval.